What's going on, everyone? So today I'm gonna be replacing my red start stop button with a diamond red start stop button. I had this one for a minute now. It looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna swap it over and see which one I like. As you can see, we have kind of a red theme going on. I have dyed my interior red. I'll make a big video on that soon. I'm still on the front, not finished yet, as you can see down there. I'm still doing this. This one hasn't even had the finish on it yet. But yeah, red start stop button installed. So I'm gonna turn the car off and I'm gonna pry it off. I'll show you how to do it. So all I'm gonna do is close the cup holder. I'm gonna pull this back a little bit, right? Oh man, this thing is always so hard to pull back. All right, because the reason why it's so hard to pull back is because I'm supposed to be using a pry tool. But yeah, so I'm gonna pull this back a little bit, and there's like two little knobs on the back of the start stop button that you need to disengage. So you put this down. Okay, yeah. So this is the little. This is the clip that's behind the red start stop button. You're just gonna push these in. You're just gonna push these in, and it'll disengage this. Now I'm gonna push this out. I'm gonna take this out. I forgot how to take this out actually. Now I'm gonna take this out and I'll show you how to replace the button. Okay, so I'll pull this back, and all you need to do, there's two little clips right here that you need to just push in. Sorry for the dark quality, but I don't have any light in here. Do I have dome light? Yes, I still have dome light apparently. So push that. I'm just gonna push those in. All right, so all you needed to do was just push these two clips in at the side to get that out. Now that's out of the way. Well, it's not out of the way, it's still in my way somehow. So what you need to do now is, I believe you take this ring off, and then you take the button out. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use my flathead to push this, to pry this ring forward. I'm trying to put the camera somewhere so you can see. Doubt you're gonna be able to see it, but yeah. So pry it forward. Now, if you lost the position, for how your thing is set up, just remember that this part is supposed to be at the top. And then now we're gonna put the new one in. And all you gotta do is just push this in, and we are done. Now I'm gonna get the cover back on this, and I'm gonna reinsert everything. Then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is what the new red start stop button looks like. It looks pretty nice, no lie. But even better, when it's like nighttime and your lights come on, the ring around it glows red, and then you see the diamond in the middle. Then you still have the light from the red, from the start stop. It looks pretty nice, no lie. I can't even talk at the moment, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. This is just a part of me trying to update my interior. Soon we're gonna get a new steering wheel, then we're gonna redesign our cluster to look much better than that, and we're gonna finish our interior, and then we're gonna get some new carpets because these ones are trash. Gotta replace this, gotta do the door and the driver's seat, and we're done. So if there's something that you like, I'll leave a link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.